Toya, you showed us a mini brands capsule, took the collector's guide to make miniature art for a super cute mini gallery, but you never showed us the minis. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I am so excited. The ILY 4Ever, the Devil Wears Prada dolls have arrived. But before we get them out of the box, our backdrop could use a little art, like mini brands create masterpieces. In our Dolls for Dolls video, we used the collector's guide to make our mini art gallery, but didn't open the minis, so let's do it now. Sorry, I was moving fast, but I won't make that mistake again, and surprise bags will always be open. Our first mini is Michelangelo's The Creation of Adam, with some popcorn. Let's stretch the canvas, then frame it. This could be an option to place above the desk, but let's see what else we've got. Ooh, that could be fun. Just gotta add a little black paint to the frame, then quickly rub it off to bring out those details. Then add the canvas. I glued magnets to the back, then added it to my poster board walls. I think we could use one more. So let's see our last masterpiece. While I do think the colors go well with this space, and I do like black frames, I'm just gonna go with a double of the one I have up for a matching pair. We also got a miniature magnifying glass and a paint palette and a paintbrush, which is totally going in my miniature art studio. And now we can get to the dolls. ILY 4Ever now has collector dolls made by Jakks Pacific with a retail price around $50. Thanks to I'm a Dollar Girl on Instagram for sending me the link, I was able to pre-order iHeart Andy and iHeart Miranda from the Devil Wears Prada. The packaging is super reflective. With red foil on the inside of the box, we can see the corrugated lines. There's holographic paper on the sides with those ILY 4Ever hearts. There's a large picture window on the front where it says The Devil Wears Prada at the bottom, so the doll is nice and visible in the packaging. The back of the box has holographic paper as well. Mine has a few scratches. We can see an illustration of Miranda on the side, and it says, inspired by Runway Magazine's fierce editor-in-chief, Miranda Priestley, this doll has all the high-end fashion sense of Miranda herself. So let's get her out of the box for a closer look. ILY 4Ever is already known for making pretty nice playline doll fashion. So what does their fashion look like at a collector level? Well, let's have a look, shall we? Here we have iHeart Miranda in a large purple faux fur coat. The fur is soft, it's a pretty rich color. I am seeing a random thread on mine. When I follow it to the source, there is a small hole, and there's a hole on the other side as well. They don't line up perfectly, so I don't think it's a pocket. I think it's a little factory defect. And there is another hole on this side as well in the lining. Can you see that? But not on the outside of the coat, which does make me feel some kind of way being a collector doll at $50. But this is my experience and yours could be different. I also have a small hole at the top of her sleeve. That's all. This doll has blonde hair cut to the shoulder with a little curl. One side on the front is pulled back and secured with a rubber band, and a nice amount of product. She comes with silver sunglasses with lenses, green painted eyes, has a pinkish red lip color with a pearly finish, wears metallic earrings that are removable. She has a red and pink scarf tied around her neck. Her faux fur purple coat is lined on the inside. Under the coat, she wears a black top with sheer sleeves. It has a wide neckline and crosses in the front. There are cuffs at the bottom of the sheer sleeves. She wears a black belt with silver details and a large buckle. The belt is fabric. Then we have a black fitted skirt with gray stitching. There are pleats at the bottom. We have a ILY 4Ever tag. The shirt and the skirt are two separate pieces and they Velcro in the back. She has black stockings. Mine are split in the back. The stockings cover the whole foot. Then we have low red heels with black painted bottoms. We also get a plastic book for the magazine Runway with an ILY 4Ever doll on the front, and it says Edition 2006, which is the same year the movie came out. She comes with a cell phone where the camera kinda looks like a Mickey Mouse head. Then we have MP, which I'm assuming is for Miranda Priestley. On the other side, we can see her schedule, where she uses Mickey Wi-Fi. We get a fabric bag. It's like a faux animal skin. There's a black handle at the top, then it's brown on the bottom. There's a little embellishment in silver, which is kind of like a little belt buckle. Because, you know, we gotta stay ready with those belts. There's cardboard inside to help it keep its shape. Once removed, you can place the book inside. That's all. I love that we get a fabric bag with the Devil Wears Prada theme. Her outfit has a lot of details. I love the stitching on the skirt, but with that collector label and what we are used to seeing with ILY 4Ever, I would have loved if she came with a second outfit. This doll is articulated and can move at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, knee, and ankle. So it's the same articulation that we see with ILY 4Ever dolls. But we also get a white ILY 4Ever doll stand that attaches around the waist. But overall, I think we're getting some fun fashion pieces here. The asymmetrical off-the-shoulder top is an easy fit on a classic made-to-move Barbie. I had no problem getting the hands through the sleeves. The skirt and stockings were an easy fit as well. The coat, cell phone, and bag are also compatible. However, the glasses are a little large, as well as the shoes. And let's take a few minutes to stitch up the coat. Now let's check out the other Andrea, or rather Andy. On the back of the box, there's an illustration of Andy, and it says, inspired by Andy Sachs' dramatic fashion transformation while working for Runway magazine, this doll wears a fashion-forward outfit with luxurious touches. Now let's get her out of the box for a closer look. Again, we get a white doll stand and a cell phone, but this time it is clear with gold glitter. The back says Andy. We're still using Mickey Wi-Fi, but we can see Andy's to-do list. Pick up scarves, 10 or 15 skirts, book flight before hurricane, find manuscript. And here's the doll. Her Andy Sachs inspired look has a newsboy cap with a black, white, and green houndstooth pattern. It's made of a nice, thick material. Here's the hat on a Barbie. The ILY 4Ever doll has long brown hair. The hair is soft, it has a light wave to it, there's a little bit of product in the front. The Andy doll has a different face sculpt than Miranda. Her eyes are brown with a touch of green. She has blush on her cheeks, a dark red lip color, wears gold-colored earrings that are removable. She has 3 gold-colored necklaces that are chains, but I do not see a clasp to open them. She wears 2 large gold and black bracelets with a matching black tweed coat. It has gold threads woven in. The lapels of the coat have a faux leather cord that goes all the way around. On one sleeve, there's a gold embroidered heart with the letter A. On the other, we have a gold shoe. And on the front, we have ILY. Here's a look at the inside of the coat, and there are faux pearl buttons on the front. Under the jacket, she wears an ivory or cream satin cami with a high heel shoe print. The straps are made out of the same fabric. The top has a nice length to it. The printed satin fabric is used all the way around and it velcros in the back. Do take care, the velcro can snag the fabric. Then we get a faux leather gold skirt with grommets and rings at the bottom, and it also velcros in the back. This doll also comes wearing black stockings. Again, mine have a hole in them. Then we have black fabric boots. I think these are pretty nice. They reach past the knee. They feel like a faux suede. There's a little bit of a gather or scrunch at the bottom, and they have a little heel with the ILY 4Ever logo on the bottom. She also comes with a green bag with a fabric scarf. The bag is sculpted with a heart pattern on the front and gold painted details on the sides. The scarf is tied on the side. It's removable and hemmed, when Miranda's scarf was not hemmed. Now, this is not a fabric purse like Miranda's, and I have had issues with green purses in the past, but I think this one looks pretty good and the scarf softens it. We also get a tray with 3 coffees. The lids are removable. The cups are white with a finger bracket, a black top, and a name written on the side. One says Miranda, Nigel, and Emily. I mean Andy. And it is possible for the doll to hold the tray. Her outfit is an easy fit on a classic made-to-move Barbie body. I think the shirt looks great, the skirt was very easy to get on, and the shoes are staying on. Well, kinda. They are still a little big. It was easy to get the jacket on. The sleeves are a little short, but for the most part, it looks like most of the items are compatible with my Barbie. However, do take care. I noticed some staining on the arm of my ILY doll from the black jacket. But this is my experience and yours could be different. Overall, I absolutely love the look of the iHeart Andy doll. The use of different fabrics and little details reminds me of early Rainbow High. And personally, I do think the $50 price point is also a little high. But let us know what you think in the comments down below. Are these dolls a buy or a pass? Sorry, I'm still learning about this stuff. Stuff? Oh, okay. So you're new to MyFroggyStuff? Sorry, I couldn't help myself. But I would love to see more The Devil Wears Prada inspired fashion and get an Emily. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the ILY 4Ever Devil Wears Prada inspired dolls. Some of today's background accessories are by Vonk Miniatures. Check out our advent calendar video to see them in more detail. And like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!